Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel once again. There is a very common mistake and very common problem that we all face is that we want to practice speaking English, then we don't know from where we should start and from where we should actually start practicing. So here is the solution. If you are a beginner and if you're starting from scratch, then this video is for you. So in this video, I'm going to share how you can start practicing even from if you are starting from the scratch. As we all know that to starting a speaking, you don't need too much of the knowledge about grammar. You really need a little basic knowledge. It's like tenses and modal verbs. If you do tenses, so you start making and creating the sentences using these tenses. Like for example, take one sentence and make 4-5 sentence in your own daily life related to your own daily life. Make 4 to 5 sentences, one sentence, and make 5 to 10 different sentences, real life sentences, and using that one sentence particularly in every tense. Like you say, for example, you say you go to market. So you don't have to say this thing only, you have to use the single sentence in every form of the tenses. Like you start using it in the positive, like affirmative, negative, interrogative, and also in past and future and every type. Like there are 12 types. So starting that sentence into that every tense, the one sentence, single sentence. So like you say, I go to market. You say affirmative sentence that I go to market. Then you use the same sentence with the different tenses. Like I don't go to market. I go to market. I don't go to market. Do I go market? Went market. Go to market. Using the single sentence with the each and different kind of tenses. This is how you can make your practice your English. Like you are literally starting from scratch. This method is going to really help you that one sentence with the different tenses, and this method is called sentence making process. You start making the simple sentences using it the different tenses, and then you will automatically notice that your tenses are getting good grip over the tenses. And once you start doing this every day, you're doing it 10-15 minutes, you do it consistently, then after some time you will notice that automatically while you speak the words are coming out of your mouth and you are able to make sentences. You don't need to speak perfectly, you just need to speak. You don't need to start sounding perfect, you need to just start speaking. So that is the main purpose. When you are starting, you should not be care about of the mistakes, because later you are gonna correct them once you start speaking. But if you will just make yourself doubt all the time, am I speaking right or not, am I speaking grammatically correct or not, then how will you even learn? So this is very important that you first start speaking and then correct yourself. So I hope this is going to help you, and thank you so much for watching.